Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at JB4A puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto from Japan and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The JB4A puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Babinga for the frame and maple for the pieces. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all three parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings of the frame will be covered, there will be no sticking out pieces and there will be no gaps. If you take a close look at the frame, you will find that it has two large openings, one on this side and another one on the other side. And when the frame has a lot of openings, it's always much more challenging to figure out the way how to put pieces together so that you cover all openings. Since if you put the piece inside, for example, like so, and that's how the opening is covered. If the piece is sticking out like so, that is not the correct solution. And if the piece is not covering the entire opening, that is, like you can see here, that is not the correct way to assemble the puzzle. So you have to find the correct combination of pieces, quite difficult pieces, so that you cover all openings. And the parts, as you can see, they look quite complicated, especially this one, since this piece is quite large and it will hold a lot of place inside the frame. And I think that this is quite unusual piece. I don't see very often such pieces in Asanori Yamamoto Pekin puzzles. Usually when I solve such type of puzzles, I try to figure out the way how to solve them outside the frame, and then when I'm sure that both openings will be covered, I try to figure out the way how to fit pieces inside the frame, which is actually sometimes even much harder than figure out the correct way to put pieces together. So if you like Asanori Yamamoto puzzles, the JB4A is the one that you really have to try, since this one is quite challenging and quite interesting puzzle to solve. If you like the JB4A puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.